Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, the channel where we give you the inside scoop on the latest products that make a difference in your daily life. Today, we're taking a closer look at a product that combines convenience, versatility, and health-conscious cooking. The Elite Gourmet EAF9100 Maxi-Matic electric fryer oven. If you're in the market for an air fryer, convection oven, or just a kitchen all-in-one solution, stick around because this product might be your next countertop powerhouse. The Elite Gourmet EAF9100 boasts an impressive 25-liter capacity, making it one of the larger air fryer ovens in its class. If you've ever struggled with cramped cooking spaces, this appliance is a game changer. It can comfortably fit a 12-inch pizza, which means no more worrying about whether your meals will fit in the oven. Whether you're cooking for a family or preparing multiple dishes at once, this extra-large capacity is a major plus. What's really intriguing about this air fryer oven is its multifunctionality. It offers a variety of cooking options, from air frying to baking, roasting, grilling, broiling, slow cooking, and even toasting. That means you don't need separate appliances cluttering up your kitchen. Instead, you can enjoy a wide range of meals, whether it's crispy chicken wings, roasted vegetables, or a golden brown pizza, all from one device. And the best part? You can use it with or without convection heated air, so you have control over how your food is cooked. But what about health? If you're like most people, the idea of eating fried foods without the guilt is a big selling point. The Elite Gourmet air fryer oven cooks with up to 85% less oil, meaning you can enjoy all your favorite crispy foods with significantly fewer calories. It's not just healthier, it's also faster and safer than traditional frying methods, without the splattering oil or the risk of burns. Now let's talk about the functionality. This air fryer oven comes with adjustable settings for time and temperature, giving you complete control over your cooking process. It has a temperature range of 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is more than enough for all your cooking needs, from slow roasting meats to crisping up a batch of fries. The 120-minute timer ensures that the oven shuts off automatically when your cooking cycle is done, so there's no need to worry about overcooking your food. Another neat feature is the 2 fan speed selections. The low fan speed is perfect for baking delicate cakes or desserts, while the high fan speed is ideal for air frying and roasting, allowing you to achieve that perfect, crispy finish on your food. Whether you're making a light snack or preparing a full meal, the fan speed gives you versatility in texture and doneness. Now onto the real-world usage. Setting up the Elite Gourmet EAF9100 is a breeze. The instructions are clear, and the oven itself is straightforward to use. In my testing, I started with something simple: air frying some frozen chicken tenders. After preheating for just a few minutes, I placed the tenders in the basket, set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and let the timer run. Within 20 minutes, I had crispy golden chicken tenders with far less oil than I would have used in a deep fryer. No greasy mess, no splatter, just perfectly cooked food. Next, I tried roasting some vegetables. I used the higher fan speed for this, and again, the results were impressive. The vegetables were evenly roasted with that lovely caramelized exterior, and they cooked in less time than I expected. One thing to note here is that if you're used to a traditional oven, the speed at which the Elite Gourmet cooks might take some getting used to. But once you find the right settings, it's incredibly efficient. Now let's take a moment to look at the pros and cons of the Elite Gourmet EAF9100. On the positive side, the large 25-liter capacity is a big win, especially for larger families or people who like to cook in bulk. The multifunctionality, air frying, baking, grilling, and more means that you can use it for nearly every meal of the day. The health benefits of cooking with less oil and the overall speed and safety of the appliance are major highlights. Plus, it's easy to clean with removable dishwasher-safe parts, which makes maintenance a breeze. On the flip side, the size of the appliance might be a drawback for those with limited counter space. It's not tiny, so you'll need to make sure you have room for it. Additionally, the design, while functional, might not appeal to everyone's aesthetic preferences. Some people might prefer a more streamlined look. Also, while the timer is a great feature, it might not be long enough for slow cooking certain recipes, especially if you're used to using a slow cooker with longer cycles. When it comes to value for money, the Elite Gourmet EAF9100 is priced at a reasonable level for the functionality and features it offers. It might not be the cheapest air fryer oven out there, but given its large capacity and multiple cooking functions, it provides a lot of value for the price. When compared to similar models on the market, it holds its ground with its extra-large size, versatile cooking modes, and the health-conscious appeal of air frying. However, there are competitors that may offer slightly more advanced features, such as touchscreens or app connectivity, at a similar price point. Still, for those looking for a simple, reliable, and efficient air fryer oven, the Elite Gourmet EAF9100 is hard to beat. Let's talk build quality. The appliance feels solid with a sturdy construction that gives it a professional-grade feel without the professional-grade price. The exterior is sleek, but the real standout is the non-stick coated bake pan, air fry basket, and removable rack, which make cleanup effortless. The ETL certification also gives it a stamp of safety approval, so you know it meets industry standards. The materials feel durable, and while there's no long-term data available yet, Elite Gourmet's track record for producing reliable kitchen products makes me confident this one will hold up over time. When it comes to customer support, Elite Gourmet has a reputation for being responsive and helpful. The US-based support team offers assistance via phone, email, or live chat, and they've received positive feedback for being quick to address issues or inquiries. If you ever need help, you can count on them to provide timely responses. As for software updates, this product doesn't rely on software, so there's nothing to worry about in that regard. In conclusion, the Elite Gourmet EAF9100 Maxi-Matic electric fryer oven delivers on its promises. It offers versatility, speed, and health-conscious cooking all in one appliance. The large capacity is perfect for families or anyone who likes to cook in bulk, and the multifunctionality makes it suitable for a wide range of cooking tasks. While it's not the smallest appliance on the market, and the design might not be for everyone, it's a solid option for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen without breaking the bank. If you're after a convenient, all-in-one cooking solution that doesn't sacrifice flavor for health, this could be the appliance for you. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in picking up the Elite Gourmet EAF9100, check the comments box for the link. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review. If you already own this product or have questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep cooking smart, and remember, there's always more to discover on Reviews Inside TV.